Hi guys, welcome to Randy's Kitchen. Today we are cooking an omelet, Mexican style. One of my favorites, traveled there quite a bit over the past few years. The reason why I like it so much is the flavors are so fresh, tasty, and more importantly, I love the spice that comes out of it. It makes me growl at the mouth. Let's get started. Some of the most important ingredients we have in Mexican cooking is coriander, we have tomatoes, we have limes, is definitely important to freshen up at the end, cheddar cheese, avocado, and everybody's favorite, a little bit of pork. So let's go ahead and get started. A lot of people don't know about minced pork. It's kind of hard to get in the shops, but one really easy thing to do is take off the skin off the pork sausage that you have at home, and right there, that's your home minced pork. Also, if it's a good quality sausage, you have a lot of lovely salty flavors in there. Definitely one of the key ingredients I find in Mexican cooking is the cumin, the powdered coriander, and I have some smoked paprika. A lot of flavors in Mexico are smoked, so that's how we're gonna put our smoking flavor inside the omelet with the chili. It's gonna be good. And we wanna brown the onions. I have a little bit of chili oil. I've made this at home. We have some chili, some garlic, a little bit of ginger in there, a little bit of extra spices there. Great start to this omelet. Oil, whoa, going in the pan. There we go. So we're gonna put the onions in straight away. The pan's not sizzling, but I want to slowly bring them to a brown. I don't want to burn them right away. So the lovely flavors of the pork, I'll mash that down. You want to break up the pork so it goes everywhere in the omelet. Okay, we're gonna add a teaspoon of equal parts cumin, coriander, and smoked paprika. So we're trying to really cook out the spices with the onions. This is gonna bring out the love, the flavor. A little bit of black pepper. Some fresh salt. Add the chili flakes. There we go. Lovely, that meat's starting to get broken up, starting to stiffen up a bit. The onions are starting to slowly brown along with the beef. Notice as they didn't blacken, and we don't want that. We want it to slowly brown, bring out the sweetness. The sweetness is gonna add loads of flavor to the chili, which is gonna tamper that down a bit and really make it up. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna add our tomatoes. And we're getting close to the end here now. We're gonna add them. We really wanna keep the integrity of the tomatoes. We're not gonna cook them off too much. So when you're biting the wrap, you're gonna taste that punch. Perfect. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna make this omelet mixture here. Cheddar cheese going in. Depends on how much cheese you like is how much cheese you put. That's the bottom line. Perfect. We're gonna put a little bit of avocado in there. Lovely. We're gonna squeeze a little bit of lime. That's gonna add some freshness, some fresh coriander. Again, everything's happening at the end. Now we're gonna go with the wrap, finishing touch. It's gonna cook around the top. Warm up the wrap, everything in one. Here we go, boom, toss that down. Let it sit there for about a minute. So we're gonna do this quickly. This is the second time doing this in a while. Boom, slam that down. Check out the lovely caramelization, just gorgeous. Everything's hot, everything's lovely. Wrap it up. Wow, smells we are getting is the smell of the lime. We have the smell of the cheese. We have the pork, we have the fresh tomatoes. We smell the wrap going on. My mouth is salivating. I'm ready to go. Now it's gonna be a bit sloppy. That's okay though, that's what burritos are about. Lovely, lovely. I'm tasting the tomato, I'm tasting the lime. More importantly, I'm tasting the fresh coriander. That fresh coriander livens the dish up. The chili, the pork, the cheese, everything's coming alive. An awesome start to my day. Enjoy.